This is Behruz Musavi, and I'm going to present the results of our research team regarding product allocation to customers in tight supply. Within this project, we developed a prototype of a web application based on a mathematical optimization called Recast. Regional Customer Allocation Support Tool, or Recast, is a decision support tool developed by Enterprise Research Centre at School of Engineering, University of Limerick. We propose, launch, and develop Recast to improve order management. The prototype of Recast tested and deployed on Infineon, Ireland. Recast is a web application based on a mathematical optimization. The aim of Recast is to allocate product to customer in tight supplies. Recast is a step forward to improving demand fulfillment by advanced mathematical techniques and digitalization. Planning the supply chain of a global high-tech manufacturer needs a custom-specific planning system, namely Advanced Planning System, or APS, as shown in this figure. Recast objective is to support allocation planner with combinatorial optimization. Recast deployed to advanced planning system in order to improve the planner's decision making. Recast reads allocation situation from Infineon Advanced Planning System, parses data, receives planner's input, obtain insights and strategies, provide visualization, generate solution scenarios, and finally export the selected result with the format readable by Infineon Advanced Planning System. The output of Recast import to another software module under the supervision of planner. The optimization model and web application handle any type of allocation in tight supply with various input data. Now we are going to demonstrate the web application. Each planner has a user ID and password. They could log in Recast from anywhere through internet connection. In the first page, they could check the history of their allocation or create a new allocation. They choose the planning horizon of allocation planning. Planners also need to identify what is the packing unit of that product in the logistics system. They identify the weights between allocating more product to customer or keeping the level of stocks. Each order could allocate in different portions. Max delay is a maximum number of weeks that the last part of the order could be satisfied. Minimum buffer stocks identifies the lowest level of stock. Now it's time to run the model and see the results. Users can compare different customers according to scenario. In the following table, they could see the allocation plans developed by the Recast based on the defined scenarios. The exported file is compatible with the destination software modules. In summary, Recast empowers planners' daily allocation planning with advanced mathematical technique and digitalization. Recast facilitates the decision-making process, digitalize customers' allocation planning, reduce human errors, avoid human decision biases, increase the quality of allocation plan, reduce planning cost, and improve work-life quality of human planners. Finally, I should say thank you to all contributors to this project listed here, and thank you for your attention.